Welcome to Ride Review. Today we're diving into the 2025 Range Rover Facelift, a luxurious SUV that's turning heads with its blend of classic elegance and modern innovation. The 2025 Range Rover doesn't just stand out, it commands attention. Land Rover has refined its iconic design, introducing sleeker LED headlights that now integrate seamlessly into the grille. The front fascia has been reimagined with a more aggressive stance, giving the Range Rover a fresh yet familiar look. Around back, the taillights have a more minimalist yet sophisticated design, emphasizing the Range Rover's modern aesthetic while maintaining its robust presence on the road. Step inside and you're greeted by a cabin that redefines luxury. 2025 Facelift includes an upgraded infotainment system with a 13.1-inch curved touchscreen, offering crisp visuals and responsive touch controls. It also comes equipped with the latest Pivi Pro system, ensuring seamless connectivity whether you're navigating the city or venturing off the beaten path. Soft, perforated leather seats now come standard, along with customizable ambient lighting, creates the perfect atmosphere, no matter your mood. Under the hood, the Range Rover continues to impress. The 2025 Facelift offers a range of powertrains, including a new 3.0-liter inline-six engine with mild hybrid technology, delivering smooth and efficient performance. For those seeking even more power, there's the option of a 4.4-liter V8 engine that roars with authority. Regardless of your choice, the Range Rover's all-wheel drive system and adaptive air suspension ensure a comfortable and controlled ride on any terrain. The driving experience is where the Range Rover truly shines. Thanks to the adaptive dynamics system, the vehicle continuously monitors road conditions and adjusts the suspension settings in real time, providing a perfect balance between comfort and agility. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating winding country roads, 2025 Range Rover delivers a composed and confident ride. Plus, with the addition of advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control and lane-keeping assist, your journeys are not just enjoyable, they're safer too. What sets the 2025 Range Rover apart? It's the combination of luxury, performance, and versatility. With its updated design, cutting-edge technology, and powerful engine options, this SUV isn't just a status symbol. It's a vehicle designed for those who demand the best in every aspect of life. Whether you're drawn to its refined aesthetics, its off-road capabilities, or its state-of-the-art interior, the Range Rover remains a benchmark in the world of luxury SUVs. That's it for our review of the 2025 Range Rover Facelift. If you're in the market for an SUV that blends timeless design with modern innovation, this could be the one for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching.